home screen of the application. Very easy application to use. So what this application really does is pretty much let you know all of the popular AI application, whether it be application websites, all of the popular AI apps and websites out there today. So as you can see here, you can scroll and it's filled up quite a lot of popular AI websites out there and apps. So if you do tap on any one of these, it will just redirect to Google or Google Chrome or sometimes Play Store. But if it doesn't redirect you to Play Store and you want to download from Play Store, you can always go ahead and search up the AI name. Say for example, ChatGPT. It's one Google Play Store, Google App Store, and you'll be able to find it. So the next option over here is the new one. You have the new, I would say, tryouts, which you can pretty much check out as well. As you can see here, and pretty much quite a lot of new AI tools and tools which you can pretty much use. So all I have to do is pretty much tap on, let's say for example, this one here will pretty much ask you to open Google Chrome. All I have to do is tap on just once or whatever your application is as well. So once you've done that, we'll just redirect you to their website and you're pretty much good to go. And if you do have an application, you can always search their name on Google App Store, Google Play Store, and you'll be able to find the application. So that's really pretty much it for that. And if I do tap on the three lines over here, you can go to the AI news section and pretty much check out the websites that let you know everything about what's going on for AI. So as you can see here, not much websites. As you can see, all I have to do is tap on, say for example, this one here, and it will just redirect to Google Chrome or whichever browser you're using. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use and very straightforward. And as well, if you pretty much navigate with the application, going to encounter these ads. So all you have to do is watch out the ads, and then you tap on the phone icon at the top, then the X, and you're pretty much good to go. And as well, you can tap on the box option at the top here. It will also adjust the option for you to select, let's say for example, AI application based on image generator, or a specific AI for video generator, specific AI for logo generator, specific AI for president or dating AI, whatever the case is, it is there. So as you can see, I do select the dating option, and you can pretty much see everything as it relates to the AI dating scene here. So very good application if you want to find new AI tools or the popular AI tools out there. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.